How do you deal with the pressure of social spending without feeling left out?
Feeling left out, that's a big word, you know?
Yes.
What's up, Townies? Pagod na ba kayo sa pagtitipid? Sumasakit na ba ang inyong ulo sa pagtitipid? Ako nga pala si Chris at samahan niyo ko para pag-usapan ang mga tipid tips na hindi nakaka-burnout. Tara, usap tayo!
Kasama natin ngayon dito si Janice from my town, Athens. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung mga tipid tips na hindi nakaka-burn out. Kasi diba, ang dami na natin ngayon masyadong ginagawa mga iba't ibang tipid tips pero nakaka-stress minsan, diba? So, how do you find the balance between budgeting and enjoying life? Kasi syempre mga kabataan ngayon gusto nila work-life balance talaga.
The first thing that you need to do is yung mindset mo na budgeting is not your enemy. So una, you have to understand that budgeting should be your friend. And also, if you have a good friends naman they will adjust to you. Dapat nasa same circle ka, like a good circle of friends. And then you mention your budget loudly. Like, yes, you have good friends, pero hindi naman nila alam na ganito lang yung budget mo. Kung aware lahat, and you have a good mindset that your friends are understanding you, then hindi madali yan Sila na rin yung mag-a-adjust for you, kung ano yung pwede niyong gawin. Kasi enjoying life doesn't have to be costly. Doesn't have to be very hard. At the same time, dadating din naman kayo sa point na mag-iipon kayo.
Naniniwala ako dun sa sinasabi na talagang pag nasa tamang environment ka, mga nasa tamang community ka, just like my town, nasa tamang community, for sure makakapag-budget tayo ng maayos. Alright. Wait lang. I have another question. So, how do you deal with the pressure of social spending without feeling left out?
Feeling left out, that's a big word, you know?
Yes.
As I grow older and go with the world what I realize is everything has an option. For example, local products. Mas maganda na kilalanin natin yung mga local products natin kasi you will never know if it will be better than the imported ones, diba? As a Filipino, it's a good thing na kilalanin natin yung mga products na affordable at the same time will give you better quality. The other options is, again, mindset. Minsan, we fear missing out. But how about yung joy of missing out? Kasi other side of it, there's always be a face of the coin kasi. You will never know na yun yung time na pwede ka mag-stop, think about your mental health. Okay ka pa ba? Paano kung you just covering everything with joy? Diba? Inside and out, meron niyang joy and sadness.
Yes.
I believe marami sa atin na they're covering their sadness with joy. Minsan, you have to slow